we're going to cover your first 2 oil changes. What I mean by that is we're going to pay for those first 2 oil changes. Now, we don't do that because we're charitable. We've got a great service department, but you don't know that. We're literally willing to pay you to have your vehicle serviced to show you how good we are. Okay? That'll save you about $100. And by the way, when you have your vehicle serviced here, we're also going to wash the outside and vacuum the inside of the vehicle every single time. Now, what do you normally pay for an inside and outside car wash?
40, 50 bucks.
Okay, well, that's on us. All right? We're also going to apply Resistol to the outside and the inside of your vehicle. What Resistol is, it's a coating. It's designed to protect your paint from loss of gloss due to sun, acid rain, bird droppings, tree sap, things like that. We're going to provide you a warranty on that paint and the interior for the first year. And now you'll have the right to extend that coverage out to 5 or 7 years, but that's completely up to you. What will that do for you? Well, aside from keeping your vehicle looking better, it'll also help you with your resale value, which is an important part of your overall investment.
Oh, resale value.
Terrell, it's a good thing I showed up, isn't it?